I want to do a quick 3-minute connection with Jesus. I want to do a quick 3-minute connection with Jesus. I think that this is such a valuable asset that we have as believers is to connect with him. And we get to use our minds and our hearts to anchor ourselves into Jesus. So take a second. And if you're walking or or washing dishes, or maybe you're driving around town, you're carpooling, or you're at the pool listening to this during the summer, I want you to just pause, not pause the episode yet, but just pause and have a moment to breathe for a second. We're going to breathe. So close your eyes. I'm closing mine. I'm going to breathe in and out and just connect back to life. He is life in us. And I mentioned Psalm 1:3. So picture standing next to that beautiful river it talks about. I'm going to read it again.